If you want to control your ONN 4K Pro Google TV box using your iPhone or Android smartphone without the included ONN TV Remote, then let me show you how you can completely control your ONN streaming device using your smartphone. First, you'll need to install the Google Home app from either Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. And when you're done installing it, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your ONN TV box. Now open the app, press Allow on the Bluetooth and location permission, then choose the same Google account that you're using on your ONN TV box. Now all you need to do is go to the Devices tab, scroll down to Local Devices, and you'll find your ONN streaming device. Just tap on it, and as you can see here, there's a remote option. Just select it. Then you'll see the device pairing request on your TV screen. Just put in the code on your smartphone and then hit pair. Now your smartphone is paired successfully, and you can start using the remote to move around, open any app, use Google Assistant, and control your ONN TV completely without the remote. And that's how simple it is. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more useful guides, and I'll see you around.